Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to transfer data from Android to Android, so let's start. So first method is save all your information on Google. You can save your information in Google and then you can start transfer the information to another device. Another method is transfer all your information by USB cable. So in that way you can transfer phone by phone. Of course, the same entrance have to be the same for transfer everything. And the third method is going to your Google, and then here on Google you can write the next thing. So you have to write set up my device. Okay, so it's very easy to do it. So let me write it. Set up my device here, right? And you can do it by doing with your Google. So just click here and everything will be safe on your device without any problem. You can read everything that you need, and that is helps you to set up with Bluetooth, etc. So guys, now you have 3 methods to do it. I hope one of these methods helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.